Hi guys, Laser Goose here. This video is something different and new for my channel. Um, this is not one of my marketplace assets. It is someone else's. It's ACF, Ascent Combat Framework. And it's a really cool framework for building a game upon. Uh, if you haven't heard of it, I highly recommend checking it out. It's good stuff. Um, and it's something I have an invested interest in. I was trying to get the AI to use guns, which they don't out of the box, at least not at this time, and perhaps in the future they will, which maybe some of this information won't be relevant anymore, but I believe some of the foundational concepts of where things are located will probably still be useful. And I told somebody in Discord that I would make a video about uh, setting up the AIs and getting them working a little better using guns. Because at this time, ACF is a little more geared towards like crossbows and bows as far as ranged weapons go. So let's take a quick look at it. This won't be um, anywhere near as in depth and as good as the guys who really make the tutorials for Ascent Combat Framework. And if you have access to Ultimate as well, uh, those guys are doing a really good job. So I'm going to link to Robert Taylor of Wonderscape Creations, his channel, which is the go-to source, like the dictionary and an encyclopedia of all things ACF. Um, so if you want to learn everything, that's where you should go. This is just going to cover guns, and then of course their Discord is great. Pask, who is a creator, is very helpful, and Robert, who is also in there under Primal WC, is also very helpful. I don't know how they handle so many questions, but they do. So let's cover this real quick with all that out of the way. If you like me, you want AI with guns. Now, out of the box, they don't work so well, but after this, we can get them sort of behaving a little bit more interesting. So you can see there. Never mind all the jargon on the UI stuff there. I'm just testing things and messing around. So, first thing we need to do is let's create a reload action because the AIs will not reload out of the box. Now we should probably look at the AI controller real quick. I've got it pulled up here. I have created my own versions of each thing so that when I update it doesn't get overwritten. But this would be the AI controller. And then the ACF Combat Behavior BP component is what you want to select. And in here you have things called action conditions. That is how we will tell it to reload. So right here, I've got a check for ammo check, condition met BP, and the action to do is to reload if this condition is met. So it's a logic condition. Think of it like that. So let's create that now. And I know that as a newcomer to this stuff, there are so many actions, that's where it can get confusing. I kind of have my own file system going on here to keep it straight because there's actions and more actions and other kinds of actions. Tons of actions. So right here, action conditions. What you want to do is make a action condition, and that is when you create one, you go to, let me just see here, blueprint, and we'll search ACF action condition right there. That's what you would choose right there. You do that, and just for example, we'll do that, open it, and what you would do is go here to the functions override, and override is condition met. Now I'm not going to recreate it, we're just going to look at the one I already made. So we'll just close this. All right, the one I already made right here. Okay, because we're keeping this short, I'll just stop here, and you can pause the video if you need and observe what is going on. Note the 0 for the ammo check. Okay, moving along, because I'm always stretched thin for time. I wish I wasn't. The next condition we want to create is a line of sight condition. By the way, that ammo check condition, thank you to Primal WC, aka Robert Taylor of Wonderscape Creations, for that little bit of blueprint there suggestion. And then let's take a look at ranged line of sight, which is the same sort of blueprint. Create the same ACF action condition again. And then, oops, did I open the wrong one? Oh, I've got a window in front of it. Hang on. There we go. Range line of sight. Here we go. Same thing. You would override the is condition met. Getting targeting component. Right there. Just pause. Let you read it. This blueprint, courtesy a suggestion of let's see, in the Discord it was Redfield. So thank you to Redfield. A lot of helpful people there. Great guys. Okay, now we've got our conditions. So we take these, now that we have them, we're going to go back to our controller, which, where am I at here? ACF Combat Behavior Component selected. Okay, here we are. Now, we can now, in action by condition, we can add elements. So you'll add an element, and then, for example, I have line of sight and ammo check. What do I have here? Oh, distance and line of sight working together, excuse me. So I have a ACF end action condition. There's the options here. And then I've got distance action is below. You can set these to whatever you want. You can dial it in. Range line of sight is the next index. And all you do is select that. There's nothing to input for that. That's just can they see them or not? The logic is true or false. Okay. And then we'll create another index on action by condition by hitting that plus. And you can put in your ammo check condition met. That's another true or false. and you have chance percentages of all this as options. Now, one thing to note about this is the tags, right? So on this condition, the tag needs to be actions.ai.shoot, which is when AI can shoot. If they meet those conditions, they can shoot. All right. Next, the ammo check condition. The tag is actions.reload. All right. You know these tags if you've used ACF. All right. And with all that sorted, moving on. Okay, checking notes, making sure I don't miss anything. Setting up combat behavior. Right, just covered that. Okay. Setting up automatic rifle fix. Okay, it's one I came up with. It's not the best, but it does the job for now. You might notice that the AI with the automatic rifle will shoot a full clip without stopping. So, to stop him from doing that, what we need to do is create an action BP. This is based off the ACF shoot action. So if you want to look at the original, it's ACF shoot action full auto BP. You can see what Pask did. This is my modification of that. Okay. And again, I will just pause it here for a second. You can see what's going on. Now here's the part that's going to get the AI to not just empty a full clip. So when it hits 10 rounds in the mag, he'll release the action, take a break for 3 seconds. It will continue on. When it hits 20 rounds in the mag, same thing. It's 20 and then 10. A little counterintuitive order there. Takes a break, 3 seconds, and moves on. I'm using the shoot at actor like the pistol shoot action is set up. A little bit different there. Okay, great. Moving on. Okay, guys, I stopped recording and I restarted. I didn't like the clarity with which I was trying to describe this next part, so I'm going to attempt again here because I know this is where it's confusing for new users. Now, let's get into actions. So, all sorts of actions, where do they go? Let's take a look at where they're going first. Okay, so if we look at our AI enemies, let's look at the pistol AI enemy here. So he has an action set right here, and he has move set actions here. Now I've created my own version of the pistol action set and the pistol move sets and rifle move set and shotgun move set as well. I've made my own versions for the AIs, basically. So that's what we're going to look at here. It's the final part of kind of getting your AIs working and functional with everything we just did. So the action sets I have organized like this. So here's my actions, and then I have action sets, and I've got my AI enemies right now. So here is my pistol action set, which is what is going to go here in my pistol enemy BP. Let's open that up and look at it. So This is essentially the same as a pistol action set. Okay. When we get down here, we have the actions.ai.shoot, and then I have the pistol shoot and a montage, just from the sample. The action, we are using the ACF shoot target action. That's just default to ACF, and then the tag right here is actions.ai.shoot. Okay. Again, this goes here, action set. Then we have a pistol move set action set. So let's take a look at that. I put that here. I have move sets for action sets, AI enemy, and here's my AI pistol version. Open that up. Okay. And here we have the tag for this index right here is actions.ai.shoot. Note that. Okay. Montage action, the ACF shoot action, and the tag is actions.ai.shoot. And then the only other thing here is the reload. Actions.reload, the reload animation montage. The action is ACF reload action. Okay. And again, this is what is going right here as a move set with the tag moveset.pistol. Okay. Move set, action set here, move set here, tag moveset.pistol. Now I've done each AI enemy as his own thing in my testing here. That's the way I'm going about it at the moment. So we have here, let's pull up the next enemy, rifle, right here. This is one we made a custom action BP for, if you recall, right? That was this ACF shoot action full auto BP, where we put in the delays in the shooting. So he doesn't just empty a full clip and annihilate the player. He takes breaks, gives the player a chance to move away or get some cover. All right. So again, back here, we're looking at the rifle enemy. There we go. If it looks like this, remember you can just click here. That may look more familiar to you. All right. So let's take a look at the action set we made, which is going to be the action sets, AI enemy, rifle. All right. And in this one, we have a actions.ai.shoot, just like pistol. But this time we have in here the anim montage for rifle. This is my own anim montage because I was messing with that anim montage a little bit. Important part right here is the action, where we made our own action for the full auto to get him to take breaks in his firing. That is right here. So in this drop down, you would drop it down and select your full auto shoot action. Okay. And you would just make sure the actions.ai.shoot is a tag. Got it? Okay. See the pattern. Now, final AI enemy. Let's pull him up. Here he is. Shotgun guy. Okay. Shotgun enemy BP. Here again. Oh, I'm sorry. With rifle. I didn't cover the move set. We still have to look at the rifle move set. Rifle move set. Here. Excuse me. Looking at too many things. There we go. Move sets for the AI enemy. Rifle move set. So we have the anim montage. In here our action, the one we made with the breaks in it, if you want that. And then the tag is actions.ai.shoot. Okay. And again, in the rifle enemy, that goes in a moveset slot. Here's the action set is the rifle action set, AI rifle action set. The moveset is the AI rifle action moveset. All right. The idea behind it, all of this is organization. And once you come to understand it, you'll appreciate it. So if you don't quite get it yet, hang in there. Final guy, just to be thorough, shotgun enemy. Right here, let's open him up. Here he is. His action set. His move sets. He includes all of them, and he has the shotgun one. So that's important for him. I hope I pointed out tags on these, but if I didn't, I'll point it out now. Tags. Pistol has the moveset.pistol tag. Rifle has moveset.rifle tag. The shotgun has moveset.shotgun tag. Okay. And then let's look at his action set. Action set and shotgun moveset. So here we go. Action set. AI enemy, the shotgun action set. Oh, there we go. Here it is. Let me pull it over here. Okay. And we're just repeating to get the concept through, because I know it is quite a barrier at first. All right. In the index here, we've got the tag for actions.ai.shoot. The anim montage is shotgun blast anim montage, straight from the sample. The action, excuse me, is the ACF shoot target action. And the rest of this here, default, okay. And then his moveset, which again is what we've plugged in here and tagged moveset.shotgun. Actions.ai.shoot is the tag. Make sure you've got that. The anim montage for shotgun blast, straight out of the sample. Action here is ACF swipe trace shot action BP. And now I know that is different from what is here. I'm getting myself confused a little bit. Something I'm just realizing. Good question for the pros on the Discord there. Either Primal or Pask. If you want to check in with them on that. This, I think by default was set this way. So we're going to leave it for now. It works. and actions.ai.shoot. It's a tag. Okay. And again, that plugs in there at the move set. There's the action set. All right. Now, when you go to play, your stuff works. And here we have a rifle enemy. Sorry for the jittering. I think I've got too much open. He's shooting at us. We'll move out of sight. He should stop. As long as we're out of sight, he should not fire. Let's get him to fire, and then he'll reload. Should do a reload. Yeah. There we go. So they're not the brightest and best AIs at the moment, but you can build up from here. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. And I hope that helps. If you want some real basic gun AI enemies. And a big thanks again to Pask, Primal WC, aka Robert Taylor of Wonderscape Creations, and also, was it Redfield, I believe? Just double check that. Redfield of the Discord, ACF Discord. There's a link below for the Wonderscape Creations YouTube channel, which is the actual place to go to for tutorials. If you have questions, I'm not really the guy to ask about anything. Go to the pros. Check out Robert's YouTube channel. Check out the Discord. And those guys are great, very, very helpful, fantastic at helping. I don't know how they keep up again. It amazes me with all the questions I get. So thanks a lot, guys. Hope that helps. And see you next time.